Well, what's up, guys? So I'll quickly do this before it takes time. So when you click on these three lines here, click on quiz, then answer this simple question: what's the first letter of an alphabet? That's obviously A. Then you submit. It will charge you 0 point. Proceed, and then you submitted the answer. So you won 1,000 naira for answering a quiz. So I'll now explain how to do this. You know why I rushed? I rushed because every day Learnify used to upload a question on the website for like 40 people to answer. So when 40 people answers the question, you start the 40 people get credited 1,000 naira each. You get what I'm trying to say? So how to do this quiz is when you click on these three lines here, you go to quiz. When you go to quiz, they'll ask you one simple question: what is the first letter of an alphabet? So the answer is A. When you click on A, you now submit. So the point is, they will not charge you anything to answer the question. You get? So you click on proceed. Okay, maximum amount of people have answered. So it means 40 people have answered. So 40 people have gotten 1,000 naira already. So just go back to your dashboard and check what if you got the 1,000 naira that you won earlier. Dashboard. So yeah, you won a quiz, 1,000 naira. So if you noticed, when I logged in this morning, it was 42,700, but now it's 43,700. So this is how to share and earn on how to answer quiz on Learnify. So that's just it.